Hello friends, and hello to all the students from 11th standard. I am Poonam Kandekar from the Guru Krupa classes, and I will teach you the chapters and basic concepts from the mathematics 11th as well as 12th standard. So I will use three languages, English, Marathi and Hindi, so that you will get it very easy to understand. यहाँ पे हम बहुत सारे कंसेप्ट सीखने वाले हैं 11th स्टैंडर्ड में. So the first basic chapter I am starting here is chapter first, angle and its measurement. Okay, so the first chapter, angle and its measurement. There are so many definitions. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे definitions है, but we are taking some important definitions. When our regular lecture will start, तब हम वो सारे concepts डिटेल में सीखेंगे. अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, उसकी वजह से हम सिर्फ बेसिक कंसेप्ट सीखेंगे, तो आपको सॉल्व करने में भी बहुत ईजी जाएगा. सो आई एम टेकिंग द फर्स्ट बेसिक कंसेप्ट फ्रॉम दिस. सो मेजर्स ऑफ एंगल्स, देर आर टू मेथड्स, सेक्साजेसिमल सिस्टम एंड सर्कुलर सिस्टम. सेक्साजेसिमल सिस्टम आप बचपन से ये पढ़ते आ रहे. सेक्साजेसिमल सिस्टम मीन्स व्हाट? डिग्री मेजर. Find the angle in degree. And the next one we are going to study is the radian measure. ये अभी हम सीखने वाले हैं कि radian measure क्या होता है. Okay, how to convert degree measure into radian measure and radian measure into degree measure. So I am writing here definition. Radian measure. 1 radian. The definition of 1 radian. 1 radian is the measure of angle subtended at the center of circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of circle. Okay. Angle subtended at the center by arc whose length is equal to radius. Means radius length and arc length is same. Radius length and arc length is same. त्रिज्येची लांबी आणि कंसाची लांबी दोन्ही सेम असेल. दिस इज कॉल्ड 1 रेडियन. आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस यूजिंग डायग्राम. हम डायग्राम से ये समझ लेंगे. फिर पहले सी दिस डायग्राम. दिस इज अ सर्कल. रेडियस ऑफ दिस सर्कल इज r. रेडियस इज r and length of arc AB is again r. ओके, कंसाची लांबी पण r आहे. रेडियस r and this length is r. In such case, what I can say, this angle AOB is 1 radian. That is 1 radian. I can say this is 1 radian. This is the notation for radian. This is the notation for radian. Okay. So if this length that is r and r, suppose I can say the circle is of radius 5 centimeter. This is again 5 centimeter and length of arc is again 5 centimeter. 5 and 5 centimeter. Then this angle is of 1 radian. Okay, this is 1 radian. So the next important topic is to convert radian into degree into radian. रेडियनचं कन्वर्जन डिग्रीमध्ये कसं करायचं आणि डिग्रीचं कन्वर्जन रेडियनमध्ये कसं करायचं. विल सी दिस कन्वर्जन. कन्वर्ट डिग्री मेजर इंटू रेडियन मेजर. हाउ टू कन्वर्ट डिग्री मेजर इंटू रेडियन मेजर. इन दिस केस मल्टीप्लाय डिग्री मेजर बाय पाई अपॉन 180. Multiply degree measure by pi upon 180. Okay, for example 30 degree is given and I have to convert this into radian measure. 30 degree ला radian measure मध्ये convert करायचे. How to make this? This is degree. Multiply this measure by pi upon 180. Pi upon 180. After multiplying, there will be now new sign, that is radian sign. This is degree sign and this is radian sign. 0 cancel. 3 1s are 3 6 are 18. So what is this? Pi into 1 is pi upon 6 radian. This is answer for 30 degree to radian is pi by 6. For example, 60 degree. 60 into pi upon 180 radian. 6 ones are 6 threes are. So pi into 1 pi upon 3 radian. So to convert degree measure into radian measure, this is the procedure. 30 degree, 30 into pi upon 180 pi by 6. 60 degree, 60 into pi upon 180 pi by 3. हम इस तरीके से बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. एक्सरसाइज में भी ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. पहले आप सिर्फ प्रोसीजर समझ लो, उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. Convert now radian measure into degree measure. In the first, what we learned, degree into radian. Now convert radian measure into degree measure. In this case, multiply radian measure by 180 upon pi. In the first, what we done, multiply by pi upon 180. In this measure, multiply radian measure by 180 upon pi. For example, if I have given an example pi by 10 radian, I have to convert it into degree measure. So pi by 10 into 180 upon pi. Now this will become degree. 180 upon pi. Cancel this. 0, 0. What is the answer? 18 degree. 18 degree. For example, pi upon 20 radian. Pi upon 20 radian. Convert this into degree. Pi upon 20 into 180 upon pi, degree. So after multiplying by 180 upon pi, convert it into degree. So I am writing it degree measure. Cancel this. 0, 2 ones are, 2 nines are. What is the answer for this? 9 degree. Answer is 9 degree. Convert radian measure into degree measure. Radian से degree मध्ये convert करायचे. Multiply radian measure by 180 upon pi. Pi upon 10 radian. Pi upon 10 into 180 upon pi. Cancel this. 0, 0 cancel. Answer is 18 degree. Similarly, pi upon 20 radian. We'll see the next example now. Question will be like this. Convert the following angles into radian. Convert the following angles into radian. Some solved examples, some unsolved examples I am taking. First, 150 degree. Convert it into radian. याला radian मध्ये convert करायचे. 150 degree. 150 into pi upon 180. Now what will be the sign? Radian. Degree into radian, multiply by pi upon 180. Cancel this. So 15 and 18 comes in table of 3. 3 5 are 3 6 are 18. 5 pi by 6 radian is the answer. 5 pi by 6 radian is the answer. Second one, minus 120 degree. Minus 120 degree. Convert it into radian. Minus 120 degree minus, since this is minus sign, keep it outside. Minus 120 into pi upon 180 radian. 0, 0 cancel. 6 2s are, 6 3s are 18. So answer is 2 pi by 3 radian. This comes in table of 6. 6 2s are, 6 3s are 18. You can have the table of 2. You can have the table of 3. You can take 6 2s are, 6 3s are. कोणताही पाढा वापरला तरी चालेल. आन्सर सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्ममध्ये आलं पाहिजे. 2π/3 रेडियन. नेक्स्ट वन 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री कन्वर्ट इंटू रेडियन. 90 इंटू π/180 रेडियन. कैंसिल 0 0. 9 1 जा 9 2 जा. π/2 रेडियन. π/2 रेडियन. 144 डिग्री. 144 डिग्री. So 144 degree, 144 into π/180 radian. 144 into π/180 radian. You can take any type of table. Take the table of 18, take the table of 6, take the table of 2, take the table of 18, 16, take the table of 12. 16 table will not work. So I am taking the table of 12. 12 12s are 144. Okay, then 12 ones are 12 and 12 5s are 60. Again this is 12 π/15, but we need this in short or simplest form. Okay, in this case we'll take the table of 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 3 5s are. So this is 4π/5 radian. कोणत्याही पाड्याचा वापर करू शकतात. यू शुड गेट द सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्म 4π/5 रेडियन. 180 डिग्री. 180 डिग्री. 180 into π/180. Now this is radian. Cancel 180 180. 180 ones are. Answer is pi radian. Next I am taking the next example. 45 degree. 45 degree. 45 into π/180 radian. 45 into π/180 radian. Table of 9 you can take. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18 and 9 zeros are 0. 5/20. 9चा पाडा घेऊ शकतात. 5चा पाडा घेतला तरी चालेल. दिस इज 5π/20 रेडियन. वी वॉन्ट सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्म. 5 1s are 5 4s are 20. π/4 रेडियन. π/4 रेडियन. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग इनटू डिग्री मेजर. डिग्रीमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचे. रेडियन दिलेलं आहे. कन्वर्ट इंटू डिग्री मेजर. हाउ टू कन्वर्ट? π/2 रेडियन. π/2 into 180 upon pi degree into 180 upon pi degree. Cancel this. 2 1s are 2 9s are 2 zeros are 90 degree. Convert radian into degree. π/2 into 180 upon pi. Cancel pi. 2 1s are 2 9s are 90 degree. Second, π/6 radian. π/6 radian. π/6 into 180 upon pi degree. Cancel it. 6 1s are 6 3s are 6 zeros are 6 3s are 6 zeros are 30 degree. So π/6 radian is 30 degree. 7 π/12 radian. 7 π/12 radian. Convert into degree. 7 π/12 radian. I will write 7 π/12 into 180 upon pi degree. This is now degree. Cancel this pi and you know the table of 12. 12चा table माहिती असेल. 12 1s are 12 1s are. So remaining here 6 and 12 5s are 60. What remains here? 7 into 15. 7 into 15 degree. So 15 7s are 105 degree. 15 7s are 105 degree. Next example, minus 5 pi by 3 radian. Convert into degree. Minus 5 pi by 3 radian. Minus 5 pi by 3 into 180 upon pi degree. Cancel this pi. 3 ones are 3 6 are 18 and 0. 3 6 are 18 and 0. So what remains here? Minus 5 into 60 degree. So 6 5s are 30, 300 degree. 6 5s are 30 and that 0. So 60 into 5 is 300. So minus 300 degree is the answer. Okay. Convert it radian into degree, multiply by 180 upon pi. Remember this thing. Next example. See the next example. Minus pi by 18 radian. Minus pi by 18 radian convert into degree. I am keeping minus sign as it is. Pi by 18 into 180 upon pi degree. Cancel this. 18 ones are 18 tens are 180. That is minus 10 degree is your answer. 18 tens are 180. So minus 10 degree is the answer. Next example. 7 pi by 3 radian. 7 pi by 3 radian. 7 pi by 3 into 180 upon pi degree. Multiply by 180 upon pi. Cancel this pi. 3 ones are 3 6 are 18 and 3 zeros 0. 7 into 60. 7 into 60 degree. So 6 sevens are 42 and so this answer is 420 degree. Answer for this is 420 degree. So these are all important examples and 11th standard in every unit test, every annual exam. This comes for 1 or 2 marks compulsory. So these examples are very important. Pi by 2 radian, pi by 6 radian, any type of this example, convert radian to degree, degree to radian, both are very important and all the topics we are going to learn, they are very, very, very important. We'll learn the next concept in the next lecture. Thank you friends. If you have any type of doubt, you can type in the comment section. Thank you.